Hey, welcome back. So lately it feels like every week there's a new AI tool, and most of them sound amazing until you realize every single one wants $10 here, $20 there, $30 a month. And before you know it, you are basically paying for another Netflix, Spotify. So in this video, I want to talk about something simple. What's the real difference between free AI tools and paid ones? And when does it actually make sense to start paying? Let's go step by step. Hi, I'm CY, and in this channel, I share more on finance and productivity. So if you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's dive in. You don't need every tool, and paying too early can actually slow you down. The goal is to figure out what problem you actually need to solve. Let's start with the free stuff. Honestly, free AI today is stronger than most paid software from just a few years ago. We are talking about ChatGPT free, Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity free, and so forth. With this, you can already brainstorm ideas, draft emails, captions, explain concepts in simple English, summarize pages, research resources, create and edit images, get basic coding and problem-solving help. And for a lot of people, that's already 90% of what they need. Now, paid tools are not automatically smarter. They are designed for people who need to do more. Usually, upgrading gets you three big things. The first one, better reasoning and bigger workloads. Models like GPT-4, Claude Opus, Gemini Ultra handle multiple stack workflows, longer context documents, fewer hallucinations, and deeper reasonings. These matter if your work is complex, things like coding, research, scripting, and analysis. Free tools can try, but paid tools handle it consistently. Number two, unlocking specific features. Paid often unlocks features like more advanced image generations, data analysis tools, uploading big files and more files, custom automations, and integrations. For example, free tools can summarize one PDF, but paid AI can allow you to upload 50 PDFs and ask one question across all of them. That's a real time saver, if you actually need it. Number three, the speed task. With paid AI, you also get higher message limits, fewer interruptions, faster responses, and priority access when traffic is high. So if you work with AI daily, that convenience adds up. Paying doesn't magically make your idea better. It only helps if you already know what you are trying to do. The real questions, when should you pay? Here's the simple rule. Upgrade only when you hit one of these walls. First of all, quantity wall. You keep getting cut off mid-task multiple times per week. Number two, quality wall. The result feels robotic or the AI keeps failing at the task your job requires. And number three, workflow wall. You need a specific features that clearly saves time. Things like uploading multiple PDFs, analyzing massive spreadsheets, or building a custom workflow. If a feature saves hours every week, that's an investment. If you're not hitting any of these walls, stay free. You are totally fine. So, here's the takeaway. Free tools is great for learning, experimenting, and testing. Paid tools only make sense when it genuinely helps you to work better or faster. You don't need the fancier setup. Start simple, build as you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I share more on finance and productivity, and if you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.